Oh, hey my friends, it's me, Handyman Hal. I hope you're doing absolutely awesome tonight. That's right, it's nighttime. When I'm here in Market Common in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Check it out. You know what this is? This is a stack of drones. We're here with a company called Sky Element Drones. There's gonna be a drone show for New Year's Eve. And we get to help out and be a part of it. This is gonna be great. I cannot wait to see these drones in action. Come on, let's get set up. Oh, my friends. Oh, the first step of setting up for the drone show is to take the individual drones and calibrate them. This is kind of fun. Oh, so you gotta take your drone. Oh, there it goes. Take it and move it around so it gets a good calibration. The GPS, so we know exactly where it is in the air. Oh, and once it makes that sound like it just did, we can unplug it. Oh, let's see, almost, there we go. And we're gonna grab another one and do the same thing. This is awesome. Here we go, 2 more. My friends, we're having such an awesome time getting ready for this drone show. Check this out. This is the type of drone that we're using tonight for the show. There's 200 drones that we're using. That's a lot of drones. So this is how they work. Inside this part, this is called the body. Inside this part, there's a really powerful GPS that tells an amazing software where this drone is up in the sky. And it has a really bright light. Can come into all kinds of different colors. Red and blue, orange. Oh, so we've got the body, right? And then we've got the arms, and there's 4 arms. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and the propellers. We've got red propellers, and we've got black propellers. Each propeller is powered by a little motor. Can you see it? Oh, yep. And those propellers spin really, really, really fast to allow the drone to fly in the sky. Oh, so what we're gonna do is set out these drones, and these drones are gonna make all kinds of different shapes and numbers in the sky. I cannot wait. They're a little bit different than your typical drone that you get to fly in the sky and take pictures and videos with. These are meant specifically for some amazing shows. Well, let's get back to setting it up.
There is a lot of important technology and people that make this drone show happen.
Oh, my friends, we're almost finished setting up for the drone show. And I'm here with an awesome friend of mine. This is Mr. Mitchell.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing great.
Amazing.
He has a really important job tonight.
Yes.
His job is the pilot. So what all does the pilot entail?
I control the drones. I am responsible for the drones, and I make the show happen tonight. Along with all of my other crewmates.
Oh, that's great. I cannot wait to see them in action.
Yes.
So, the drones, how do they know where to fly in the sky?
Well, there's a really intelligent GPS inside of them, and they have some pretty good software also.
Oh, that is great.
Yes.
So, how high do you think they're going to be flying tonight?
The top of the show is 400 feet.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that's going to be awesome. Well, out of all of the drone shows that you've done,
Yes.
what's the biggest one?
We did a Guinness World Record 1500 drone show just recently.
Wow. That's a lot of drones.
It is.
To fly at once in the sky.
Yep.
Oh, that's great.
Amazing.
So how many shows have you done?
I've done over 50. The company has done way more than that.
Wow,
Yep.
that is awesome.
Yep.
So you work for a really awesome company.
I do.
Sky Element Drones.
Correct.
So tell me a little bit about it.
Well, we are a drone light show company. We create stories in the sky. We go all across the United States of America, internationally as well. And we have a very large fleet of drones to make whatever you want happen in the sky possible.
Stories in the sky.
Yes.
I like that.
Yeah, that's great. SkyElementsDrones.com is where you can find anything that we do. Sky Elements on
Sweet.
all of the social medias.
So tonight, I'm so excited for it.
Me too.
What all are we going to be able to see in the sky tonight?
Well, there's going to be a New Year's Eve countdown to be very excited about. Happy 2024, confetti, American flag. It's going to be a really fun
Oh,
time.
this is going to be great.
Yep.
I cannot wait. We've got a little bit more things to set up.
Yes.
And it'll be ready to go.
Now we're setting up their drone grid. This has to be precise, so we have to take our time to make it just right for takeoff.
Oh, my friends, welcome to the grid. This is the drone grid. Doesn't this look amazing? It's huge. Let's see, there's 20 drones lined up that way, 10 drones lined up this way, 20 times 10, that's 200. That's right, there's 200 drones here. This is like the launching pad for all of the drones tonight for the show. Now they're not gonna go all up at once. They're gonna go up in different phases. This is gonna be amazing. I can't wait for launch. All right, my friends, check it out. They're taking off. Oh, yes. Layer after layer, see? Oh, this is gonna be great. I can't wait to see them all the way up in the sky. Check it out. The lights are already starting to change.
And there they go, off to the show. Count down with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year! That is so awesome. Here goes the confetti. Look, it's a golf club and a golf ball. Wow, that's my favorite so far.
Now, my friends, this is amazing. I hope you're enjoying this. All of the different shapes and colors in the sky. This is amazing. Happy New Year. an amazing show. And now they're getting ready to come back down and land. What a show. It was absolutely awesome. All the cool colors, all the shapes. That was a wonderful way to bring in the new year. Oh, well, we've got to give a big, awesome thank you to Sky Element Drones for letting us come and help them set up and having awesome times learning about these drones. It was great. Well, thanks for watching Handyman Hal. You have a happy new year. We'll see you later. We're gonna learn all about it today. Come on, let's go.
Give me an H. Give me an A. Give me an N-D-Y, handyman. Give me an H. Give me an A. Give me an N-D-Y, handyman. H-A-N-D-Y, M-A-N, oh me, oh my. The handyman is such an awesome guy.